everyone, I'm at 3901 Blowing Rock Way, our newest listing in Beverly Woods. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story with a 2-car garage and extra storage / workshop in the back. It's fabulous, and I want to show you what the inside looks like. Great covered front porch. You are on a corner lot of a cul-de-sac street in Beverly Woods. Great neighborhood, great schools. Let's take a look inside. Got a great foyer with coat closet, actually 2 closets. You have a deep one that goes underneath the stairs here. Wood flooring throughout the main with tile in the kitchen. Here's your powder room. Family room with gas logs. Nice neutral colors throughout and tons of windows for light, tons of natural light. Check out this fabulous updated kitchen. New gray cabinets, stainless steel appliances, leathered granite countertops, tons of counter space. You've got a great pantry area as well too. This can lead into the mudroom, the screen porch, another hard find in Beverly Woods. I bet you haven't seen a mudroom like this in Beverly Woods, have you? Look at these built-in lockers with lighting for you, extra shoe storage, and a side entry that comes in from when you come in the garage. Fantastic, huge laundry room. You don't see this in Beverly Woods either. Let me show you the formal living areas for those that still use that, or you can use it for flex space. Nicely sized dining room and formal living room, used as a great flex space, office space, whatever you like. I'm going to show you upstairs, and then you're going to have to just come for your own private tour. So as we go upstairs, hardwoods all up. Nice guest room. Good closets in this house too. Here is a really cute hall bathroom. Tiled walls, granite countertops, linen closet. Second bedroom. And your third bedroom. Like I said, great windows in this house, tons of natural light, great storage in the closets. Here's your master bedroom. It's a big bedroom, can fit queen or king size bed, no problem. You've got a giant walk-in closet through those doors. I think we've hidden a couple things for photos today, or I'd show it to you. And a nice updated master bath. You can see full tiled shower, great vanity with storage, and a window.